Do you want to know more about me? Let me think. Maybe I'll share some things that I love. Like, I love my hometown. I love creative writing and doing vlogs. I love morning coffee, and it always saves my day. Like, literally. I love movies like comedy because I love to laugh and I love being myself. I just want to have fun. I love Harry Potter. I am a Gryffindor, so don't mess with me because I might cast a spell to you. I love nature and I love adventure. I really love summer. It's my favorite among the season. I love to travel, so you want to come with me next time? Let's travel the world. I love being scared, but I am a scared cat. I love Taylor Swift and her music, but most especially, I love myself and I love you. So those are the things that I love. And I don't want to share the things that I hate because you might use it against me.